your maths lesson for this week. There will be another lesson as well that's going to look at basic skills. So, we've been learning all about shapes last week. Now, your children should be really good at describing 2D shapes and naming them. So this lesson, they're going to show off to you everything they've learned so far. We're going to start by the children zoning in on the two spot the difference you can see on the screen and telling you the differences they can spot. Look closely, look at the colour, look at the shapes you can see. Tell your adult all the differences you can spot. Off you go. You can pause the video here because I'm just about to show you the differences. Difference 1. You can see that here and here the little alien is a different colour. You might also notice that on Saturn here, this ring, and this ring are a different colour. Also, the astronaut here and here has a different colour helmet. And on the rocket, the window is also a different colour. Have you noticed the star that's a different colour? There it is. There's a green star here, but this star is yellow. There's something else that's a different colour. It's on the moon, and it's one of the craters. This crater is yellow, and this one is brown. How did you do at spotting all the differences? It was a bit tricky. I bet you did really well. We're going to be using those skills, but concentrating really hard to spot things, to be able to spot 2D shapes today. 2D shapes have sides and vertices, and they are flat. They cannot be manipulated. They are not a solid shape. They cannot be moved around in your hand. We're going to spot the difference again now. We've looked at 2D shapes and we know a lot of the names. We know this shape is a semicircle, and this shape is a square. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. This shape is an oval. We know that this shape here is a rectangle, and the rectangle has got 4 vertices and 4 sides, but there's something different about a rectangle and a square. Can you tell your adult? The square has 4 equal sides, but the rectangle has got 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Were you able to tell your adult? Here's another shape we've learned, a triangle. 3 vertices, 3 sides. We've got a pentagon, pent, 5, with 5 vertices and 5 sides. A hexagon, hex, 6 vertices and 6 sides. And we've got, this was a circle, which is an equal measurements from the centre all the way round with 1 curved side. Okay, I'm going to delete the marks that I've put on this page. And with your adult, can you use the shape name and perhaps some of the properties of the shape, so things like vertices and sides, equal, curved, and can you describe or explain to your adult what the differences are on this picture? I'm going to give you some time to do that, so you can pause the video here and see if you can work out the differences. Off you go. Okay, you ready to find out the differences? Here you can see the rectangle now has red sides. The octagon, now has purple sides. There's something missing here. What is it? There it is. The semicircle. It's missing from this picture. What's different about this triangle on this picture? That's right. It's black. The triangle has changed colour. There's another difference. Should there be something here? That's right. There's a red square on this picture. What about the pentagon? Oh, sorry. The pentagon. Is it the same on both pictures? No. Here it's blue. There's a difference in one of the ovals. Can you find the ovals in these pictures? Look at this one. What's the difference on the other picture? Did you spot it? The oval is yellow on this picture. Well done if you spotted all the mistakes, or just some of them, because it can be difficult to focus on the picture and really pick out the differences. I hope you use that mathematical language as well to describe the differences to your adult. And I'm sorry about Miss Lily's squiggly lines. I'm trying to write with the mouse and it's a bit tricky. Your challenge today in maths is to look around your home, and I want you to see if you can find some shapes, 2D shapes, in your environment. What shapes can you see? Might you find a square with 4 sides and 4 vertices? Or a triangle with 3 sides and 3 vertices? Maybe you might find a rectangle with 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Have a look, and I really look forward to seeing your pictures. And try and use that mathematical language when you're describing how you know what shape that is. See you tomorrow.